Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make mulberry smoothie alongside its health benefits. So to make the smoothie, I'll be transferring some ripe mulberry into the blender. The unripe ones are quite bright red in color, so you need to make use of the ripe ones. I'll also be adding some banana slices. This will help to add some richness and creaminess into our smoothie. For more nutrients, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of chia seed, and for the liquid base, I'll be making use of milk, but you can choose to use a plain yogurt or a Greek yogurt. But if you don't want a dairy product, you can simply just use water. So I'll just cover the blender now and allow it to blend properly. So while that's blend, let me tell us more about the health benefits of consuming this amazing smoothie. It contains iron, which helps to boost red blood cell formation. They aid in digestion process since they are rich in fiber. They also help to boost the overall immunity of the body, and they contain an antioxidant property that helps to nourish the skin, prevent wrinkle, and also promote hair growth. For diabetic patients, this might interest you the most because mulberry smoothie is highly recommended for diabetic patients since they contain an antioxidant which helps to prevent the conversion of carbohydrates into glucose. There are also other health benefits of consuming mulberry smoothie, but this is just to mention a few. So after blending, our mulberry smoothie is pretty much ready and it can be consumed at any time of the day. Thank you very much guys for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.